Learning about the machinery you are operating is an important part of doing the job safely and correctly. Following safety guidelines and operating procedures is important for you and for those around you. Begin by reading your operator's manual thoroughly. This will help you safely operate your equipment and familiarize you with the controls and capabilities of your new Kubota tractor. Read and understand all warning labels before operation. The BX23S tractor loader backhoe has a new feature known as the Swift Connect backhoe. It allows for fast and easy detachment and attachment of the backhoe. Park your tractor on a hard, flat surface. Place the loader bucket edge on the ground. Set the engine speed to 1800 RPM. Then, remove and store the dipper arm pin. Be sure to verify that the boom swing pin is still in place, preventing the backhoe boom from swinging left or right. Carefully extend the backhoe and place the bucket on the ground. Lower the stabilizers until the arms are several inches above the ground. Lower the boom so that the rear wheels are slightly off the ground. Release the lock pins on the right and left side of the backhoe by pulling and turning downward. Use the backhoe hydraulics to pivot the top of the backhoe frame away from the tractor. Lower the stabilizers to lift the backhoe out of the lower hooks on the tractor subframe. Move the tractor forward approximately 8 inches. Raise the boom and stabilizers to lower the backhoe mainframe to the ground. Stop the engine and apply the parking brake. Slowly operate the backhoe control levers in all directions to release hydraulic pressure. Disconnect the backhoe hydraulic lines by using the quick couplers. Then, plug the tractor outlet hose into the Power Beyond coupler. You have now removed your Swift Connect backhoe from your BX23S. First, park the tractor on level ground, then set your parking brake. Make sure the boom swing lock pin is inserted. Back the tractor slowly towards the center of the backhoe. Stop the tractor at a point 10 to 12 inches away from the backhoe. Shut off the engine and apply the parking brake. Connect the backhoe hydraulics using the quick couplers. Pull and release the lock levers for the right and left locks on the backhoe mainframe to release the locking mechanism. Start the engine and set the engine speed to approximately 1800 RPM. Use the backhoe hydraulics to raise the backhoe so that the lower pins are slightly above the lower hooks on the tractor's subframe. Back up the tractor so that the subframe lower hooks are aligned directly under the backhoe lower pins. Using the stabilizers and boom functions, lower the backhoe into the tractor subframe. Use the backhoe hydraulics to pivot the backhoe so that the locking mechanisms lock onto the tractor subframe. Visually verify that the backhoe is locked onto the subframe. Place the boom and stabilizers into the transport position and insert the boom lock pin. Now you have attached the Swift Connect backhoe to the BX23S and are ready for your next job. See your local Kubota dealer for more details of the Kubota tractor advantages.